I don't think Gaza.
I've spoken. Good morning.
Mention count.
Good morning.
Confusion, I basa.
Confusion.
I basa.
When you're good to go. Today you have.
And I will bow ref is over so. So yeah, dear, why la pen the boa. Who's a make us and the engine so.
Yeah.
Into your doom and about oh best start here. Now I saw. I know Pebby away and another day. With your train. Kofi awoche azai
Moe se fanti na
bibi ti won sei
bibi o kriti
oso ati o oso ati pa
wa obeso tru ya de tru ni no problem
Mr. TV
o ka start and start who's that great you want to do but we are fine.
So confirm no check bom so no ni ade a opj oba bia ma amanfo shock o manya ni mama na beje she eje na institution no
me ni say
o ma me ana ma dia go di ba se me
Chelsea share my Chelsea share I didn't know
o nya me ana dem
o share una farm out share
se me nya Chelsea ni
but a farmer I don't know you share o share Chelsea share
no de mo akwana mo share no nam no problem tina ma me share mo beje share
no problem ti share share o share
o beje share
enko me ti
oh but nice so nice okay
see me am say nice
beje share na institution
no share me dem make as Chelsea charge
ko fia wo twen yenko minti o de on sha yenko minti o
but say o share e be fata
me share okay na yenko
Kaish. Yeah, very, very nice. For her share is nice.
We are watching him. But Chelsea never fool. It looks good on me.
But born on problem.
Bibia yana. The akan in the aka. I'm going to 824.
It's
we woman tada. Yeah, so 3 million. You be that.
Mommy Kasa, what's in your call?
Since I'm starting selling so you woman tada. Ada ibasa for you more do you know.
Mommy Kasa.
I'm going to meet you.
Rich.
Kofi.
And when you read the first leg.
Obiani.
Baza. Then I will.
Yanko meet you.
I already truly know my minion at
I'm on 40 and
I say Chelsea match on Corner Bones. Any match na can come Rihanna.
Okay, no problem.
Where you
Mate. You started with a City in Madrid now.
There be a Bodo Glim next time.
Okay.
I would say no production.
David.
It's my new production.
All right.
Oops, and I think we had 3 games. I was telling you, say, for all of the teams, fan Biakasa, they want to believe in turning it around. You can't take anything away from them. And whether you like it or not, even in football analysis, belief in the psychological part is very important. For the 2 games, it did not work out. But Sporting CP4 started at home. And for a lot of the people, based on what Bodo Glimt had done in the lead up to a match, it looked impossible. But in Sporting, phone will feel from the blast of the whistle. And I think say all of the 3 games are not, they needed to be certain level of turnaround. And Sporting phone actually. In fact, in the first 14 minutes, I'm say I saw no bomb chance because they had clear-cut chances that they should have scored and they should have gotten there 3-3 at that point in time. Man, not go cinema. Then, just before the game began to also push in 34th minute, Omunyomo first goal, built on the momentum in the second half, which me will say now what Twitter says before now could go too much.
I want to take back too much.
Which was the intensity of Sporting. Sporting were just so intense.
I'm gonna start the game to be honest with you, man Chibi.
Okay.
You are not I knew that they are Bodo for no a Sporting.
Okay.
So my app bi wo my phone so.
Yeah.
You want menya notification.
Yeah.
Me hwe na sport na hye. Enti the moon say after the second goal na ban so no.
In fact,
I'm going to go.
It was in the first 14 minutes. Francesco Trincao and we see 2 clear-cut chances.
And you almost a second goal and
they were playing very well. I'm not
pulling to a man.
They can't come out.
And they are bombarding them.
Ball came on my presiaji. Every time. In fact, it got to a point I told myself that Oman Shin Yena Soman 4-0 in the regulation time from Rich. Even at extra time, this player Arau and Suarez, they played as if say after they starting match. Then just when we start extra time, the goal came on from Arau and then later on Rafael Nel by the 20+1 minutes and now they turned it around. For the very first second time in history, they've won 5-0 to 10 a Champions League game and almost 3-goal deficit. They did exactly what they were supposed to do. And a lot of the other clubs, and they are sporting for they showed dominance and they got their job done. And yeah, say good for the fairy tale not could not go to the quarter final. But Champions League, and you're tricky. I don't know if it is the inexperience of Bodo, because the other 2 teams now get a 3-goal lead. Both of them are very experienced. Baku is the holder. Baku is the perennial winner, consistent to the Champions League. Once Bodo were debutant and also have not gotten to this level. In fact, even for the whole country, it's been almost 20 years. Team may call quarter final movie. So maybe the inexperience did hurt them at a place where they didn't expect the inexperience to hit them. And I don't think any game now around. But now I'm sure that in sporting, everybody will be excited. It was such an ecstatic night for Sporting CP4, but in a very, very sad one for me. Which City also wanted to turn it around at the Etihad. But when you want to turn it around there, Adia Bakwa will turn around, no? A bit boom jakra. If you try to want to go on that tangent, if you concede early. So one person turning around, a quick goal. It shifts the momentum onto your side. But so who concede earlier? Now already you were playing the catch-up game. You played that times 2. See a show. And that's happened at the Etihad. Manchester City started well. They were the better team. In fact, I told myself, say, oh, I have confidence. Okay, me flip it 15 minutes. So the first 15 minutes, I was watching the Man City game. Very dominant. Rich. By the 22nd minute, 28th minute, City had gotten a loose ball in the box of team from Manchester City. Vinicius Junior ball shot. I'm a Bernardo Silva, then they say Gunetti any year for pony.
What is that?
Desperation, ya the papa. You clutch onto straws. Ideally, Bernardo Silva will not do that. Because we want to crash it with the restart. But they thought that yes, I'm the 4th goal. How do we go from here? And he put his hand in the way of the ball, then the penalty. What Vinicius Junior in the first leg, he did it, scoring from the penalty spot, and it made sure say Madrid the platform to play in. At red card down, you could tell Still City pushing to find a goal, but it was so easy for Madrid. And I said before the game, said no way in your match I wouldn't back the bar. And your match I be Vinicius Bellingham I start it, I be destabilizing the stability of the team. Allow the players that play to play the game. Let them go and finish the job that they started because they are capable. And that's exactly what Nhyira had very well. I wanted to ask you this. Before we started this Champions League leg, do you believe Alvaro Arbeloa will stand a chance against Josep Guardiola?
Say Champions League in common, why not? Madrid is Madrid.
Even if you just take the 2 coaches without a class.
So what should you pa?
Yeah.
You did Champions League in common, Real Madrid. Real Madrid. We didn't come here. Even
if some coaches without the class.
So, I mean, coach said coaches name there. Maybe way ahead of.
But just because Averoa
because of the Madrid team,
it gives him that impetus.
And City team also say the City team are in this is not the team.
Which I also think say and the last time I catch you, I did back when Madrid teams head down so. Rich Russia, anytime they get a manager that overcomplicates things, Madrid buys the best players. If you manager not open too much, or my players do too much patterns, too much instructions, too much coaching and coach tactics, it affects the delivery of the players. The strongest part of Aveloa's job at Madrid is that you're more humanitarian, more of a people person. Into a band, or just a really a good placer, Vinny will succeed at Madrid. And he has put him in the right place for him to deliver. Getting the second goal, or matching him in the second half, puts them there at a place where they're beating them. Right now, you mean the one who Pep Guardiola record our Champions League in the last season. Ofrimu round of 16. Ofrimu playoffs. This season, Ofrimu round of 16. Before that quarter final, and Okokoji Champions League, and a quarter final, round of 16, quarter final, round of 16. It's not easy in the Champions League. We do one, you really need to show your metal. And I'll say we have many things to improve, but at the end, you have pride. 70 minutes, 10 versus 11. It's not easy. Jeremy Doku, Erling Haaland, Rodri, Kosanov, everyone made their contribution and was absolutely there. We are not a complete team, and that is the reality. We have a final on Sunday. FA Cup is still here, and we still have the Premier League. Premier League need a new senior. We will try to fight and prepare for the good decisions and for fights back for next season. Pep couldn't turn it around, and now it was very, very difficult for them. Then the last comeback that Chelsea wanted to do, which I think was probably the worst of it, honestly. And then I'll see it again. So not Chelsea fans still believe so much more turning around that. I don't think it was far-fetched.
Believe?
Yeah. Because
they na nama believe so much more turning scoreline.
Oh, Chelsea had shared Paris Saint-Germain this season. Wako 2-2 with the same Paris Saint-Germain or no one for 75 minutes.
5-2.
Again, and Namika say, so analyzing the whole game in completion. For 75 minutes, Chelsea were as dominant as Paris Saint-Germain.
Because on the face of two teams in the result in the first leg. Now also need to about Chelsea. Now who say now we can say believe
no, but
we are talking about a Chelsea team, a concede. Team a concede no, we didn't turn the score line. Especially when I order from Finneal. 3 goals. You know, like 1-0 view, and now 2. What's up, Finneal? What do you have concede goals? And Tinamo was now because so now I believe no Chelsea between 10 score line. To be honest with you,
it was feasible.
We should be beer and not be beer anyway. Just Chelsea between
Okay, can I also have my turn?
Okay.
For me, it was feasible.
Then another man feasible.
You say feasible, no, I can several times. So because a Chelsea team concede, Paris Saint-Germain concede too. Paris Saint-Germain concede. They don't have the best defense. There were a lot of chances that if Chelsea had taken, probably could have been a different story. I understand.
In the first leg?
Yeah, in both legs. Obiabeka say, oh, yes, you don't talk about things that did not materialize. I understand the conversation around football. In fact, even in analysis for class, home advantage comes in. The belief of the player psychology comes in. Data means information. What information you get, whether emotional or not, it helps you in trying to get a result. For me, the biggest issue are before the game, and I told you in the starting lineup, I'm here. In a game like this, what's for fun and you want to mark? Of course, you bring in Sarr, but you don't play Sarr rather at right back. A champion is more suited to the right back area, or better still, Obo Moes Caicedo at right back, and you play Romeo Lavia and Andres Santos in the middle. Rich. Me, idea we are SC for Chelsea. No? At the 6th minute, once the goal came, I knew that I'm going to play catch up. Then 10 minutes later, Badi Bakula shit, number by your West. At that point in time, you know that nothing at all will happen for Chelsea. It is the highest knockouts defeat for Chelsea since Omobo in the Champions League, home and away. 8 goals for them as a club. Definitely not good enough at all. This is what I want to say. Maybe Chelsea fans will understand why I was so big on Enzo Maresca as a manager. Honestly speaking. Chelsea played a game start here now. Where they have gotten to. they've gotten to the place where you can describe as a false dawn. False dawn now, I say, what's the trophy? Then in your mind, you think that, oh, you have achieved. You've not achieved. You are at the point where you need to consolidate your gains, no? After they say to players, correct ones, ever be transform a club. So what start season na level code pra, you have an elongated season, and you don't buy the players that you have to buy, and you say that Strasbourg, and you don't buy the Jeremy Jacket and the best centre backs, you begin to get problems. And Liam was in a buy, you know. Not just if one say, Enzo Maresca against small teams or team breaking down low block. Liam Star breaks down low blocks because the midfielders need to be break. But that also leaves spaces behind you. That is why since Liam came, I considered 28 goals in 15 matches. Who is that just medium say, oh, Enzo Maresca and Kat. That is true. But immediately move on from Maresca, who was hiding the frailties of the squad, to Liam, who wants to openly play. You get some of these things. Maybe I'm a finance and best sacking coach. There is no point in sacking coach again. What the club has to do is that they need to steady the ship.
You knew all these are all kind of pay. And I can also Paris Saint-Germain. And the amount 8. Usually anytime, any games in why. Now, we dawa we can't nacho. We be chili more.
Yeah, but the summer has to be.
You knew it.
For Chelsea, for in buying the players that they have to buy, of course, Arsenal for team my friend buying for Leverkusen. Now, say the matches in the street for it.
Anji Bobo Bosonian Fanko.
Basa phones on Spotify can no so much.
Which Ubiazu on Beshe.
Okay.
I'm the believe in Ibia.
I'm the believe. I'm the end of Meshe.
They'll beat Newcastle.
They'll beat Newcastle.
Liverpool Beshe Galatasaray.
Liverpool Beshe Galatasaray. But Basa phone up to now, wouldn't your best start on number 9 more. Still there is.
I'm not sure I can cry still.
Still on Meshe. I'm young.
To me.
I'm sure you guys for your my film. Okay, but a lot of the people, some people, that's a Ferran Torres and a Bebo up top. The others that are looking at Robert Lewandowski. Of course, very difficult because of Barca record. They will feel at the Spotify company. We expect say Barca Beshe and then they go through in a game against team my friend Newcastle United. It will feel very very good game for the Barca small boys to go in. Liverpool Befi against Galatasaray. We think say the home is enough for Liverpool to turn it around because only a down by a goal to 0 and win against team my friend Galatasaray. I think the cup alone, the fact that Liverpool will feel and with the dominance of Mkhitaryan, it shouldn't be too much talk for them. For Bayern also, it will feel what we hear from Germany is a rich Bayern for no our biggest worries is here and the second leg of Atlanta. And Madrid is now confirm now. That is where the biggest worry for team and friend football club Real Madrid. There are goalkeepers available now. Ulbeck, Etrini, of course. Manon Neuer also was in the Stanisic, Star, Kim, Bishop, and the backline. The Pavlovich, Goretzka, Kral, Gnabry, Diaz, and Bentia, friend Jackson, or anyone. In as much as some droppy players, no, I don't think that they will lose this one. This is probably the closest of the two games. And let's go Madrid. Any team my friend Torian must. I think that at least 2 goals ever them, and I still think the team my friend and let's go to Madrid ever qualify and they are called the next day of the Champions League now which no but my mama only were T4 coats in the last few days. It's not really going on well and yeah a little bit of a blip but my mama coats can fan ko fike sim me so rich still me tight to say in sema you say in kofu bi de me picture any me di creative groups say almost check with me so the only one I have on official Fifi Manfred social media handles it be on Twitter or Facebook and or Telegram usually link no or my Facebook on my account so I can reach my first code no BW 4687E2A5 that is the first code. Second one no BW 468-7C270. The third one no BW 468-7B830. 46333. The fourth one BW 4687942. Then the very last one BW 4687882. Which these are the codes I'm the man with T4.
Okay.
Some for Uncle Fifi.
That's it. Young from Sona, you know, come on, Kakre, we are not best mark, who's been Pala.